everyone, my name's Jonathan Mills and welcome to my course, Using MongoDB with Node.js. I'm a technology advisor at Worldwide Technologies and a frequent speaker on JavaScript topics around the globe. Now it's rare in a backend API that you won't end up having to make a call to a database or something on the backend, and MongoDB is one of the most popular backend databases for Node.js. In this course, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to work with a MongoDB data layer for your Node.js applications. So in this course, we're going to get a MongoDB database set up and loaded with data. We'll create a repository object that we'll use to work with Mongo. We'll build out all of the CRUD commands in the repo: get, add, update, remove. And finally, we'll build out a use of the aggregation framework. And by the end of this course, you'll have all the information you need to connect your Node.js application to Mongo. Now, this is not an intro to Mongo course, and I'm going to assume you understand document databases and how they work. Now, if you don't, that's okay. Just follow along with me and then maybe go back and watch one of the intro to MongoDB courses later. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about using MongoDB with Node.js here at Pluralsight.